Hello guys, welcome to Dan's IT Network. On my previous video we're able to create a IP subnets on the network 6, okay, that cover the 4,000 hosts. So now it's time for us to identify what is the subnet mask that we need to use on the network 6. Okay, so let me remove this first. To identify the subnet mask, we need to use this magic number, the 16. And let me copy this 8-bit first. I'm gonna write this down in here. Okay. So we do know that this is a total of 255, 255, 255, and this is a 255. Okay, so let's follow the magic number 16. So the magic number 16 on this network 6 is located on this second portion of 8-bit binary. It is not located here, okay? So we will match this pattern. This will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So it is the 16, the magic number is located here. Let me put this as number 8, just for us to see where is the 16 located, all right? So this is the magic number 16. So what we need to do is starting here, this is the 16, right? Going to the left, they should be all ones, right? And after the 16, they should be all 0. So let's do that. I'll make this all 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I'll make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. Okay. And let's change this 8 to 1. Right. Okay. And now we do know that this is a total of 255, right? So let's put that down. This is 255, okay? And next is a total of 255 as well because they are all ones, okay? Eight total of 8 ones, right? And then next, this portion is there are 4 ones and there are 4 zeros, okay? So this is the 128, this is the 64, 32, and 16. So we need to add that up using calculator. So let's add it. So 128 plus 4 plus 32 then plus 16. So that's 240. This will become 240 then. Okay. And obviously on the next portion it's 0. Why? It's because all of them are 0. Okay. And what is the slash number? To identify the slash number, we need to count the ones starting to the left. Okay. So this is 8 and this is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So this would be slash 20. Right. So this will be then the subnet mask that we will be using on this network 6. Okay. This is the subnet mask. All right. And it's slash 20. Meaning of this slash 20 is the network will go up by 16. Okay. So that's the magic number. As I mentioned to you a while ago in my previous video, okay, is if we want to create another network, it needs to go up by 16. Okay, so this is the first network, right? This is the first network. And then if we want to create another network, then we can write this down 172.16, okay, dot 16.0. Okay, this is a 0, right? So we need to add 16. And then if we want to create another network, we need to add additional 16 as well, which is on this network. So it will then be 172.16.32.0 and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's it.